What you're going to learn today is a secret known only to designers, marketers, and entrepreneurs. So, if you're growing your business on the internet, this is something you must know. Let's talk colors. Colors have been such an important part of our life. It catches your attention, it can evoke feelings and emotions in you, and it can also communicate with you without the use of any words. Imagine this, you're walking into a room where they are serving buffet, and just looking at the colors of each of the dishes, you will have a perception of how these dishes are going to taste, whether it's going to be salty, sour, sweet, or just very spicy, or simply disgusting. All right, so all this perception will happen even before you taste the food. Similarly, when you're entering a room, just the colors of the room can affect how you feel. It can either get you relaxed, it can get you irritated, or it can just excite you. It has this psychological effect on people. The reaction to colors is infused to us since our childhood, and it has been part of our life as we grew up. And colors can do some crazy things. It can encourage you into making some purchasing decisions. Because of these things, colors are used very strategically in marketing by entrepreneurs and marketers all over the world to encourage you into taking some kind of an action. It can be you giving out your name, number, email address, or it can also be you just making a purchase. There are some colors which can have a calming effect on you, and there are some colors which can excite you and push you into just following your natural impulses. And here is an interesting fact: every business that you know uses specific colors for specific reasons. And once you understand color psychology, you will also be doing that. You will be looking at colors from a whole different perspective. I'm Santhosh, I'm the founder of Design Clans, and in Design Clans, you will learn how to grow your business using the power of designs and online marketing. So, if you're somebody who's looking for something like that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification icon so that you get the content as soon as I release it. Alright, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Alright, first let me show you something. Have a look at this color wheel. You may have seen this during your school days. Left half is warm colors. These are colors which are brighter in nature, like yellow, red, orange, and these colors can encourage stimuli. Right half is cool colors. These colors cause a calming effect on your mood. Colors like blue, green can cause a calming effect. It's also the color of nature, blue sky and green leaves. So when you are around cool colors, you will find yourself calmer and relaxing. Now let's look at some colors and see what it means. The color red. Red is a color which evokes a strong emotion of excitement or intensity out of you. It can be positive or it can be negative. As per studies, a red tends to reduce our analytical thinking and encourages us to take decisions based on our natural instincts. In designing and marketing, red is used to visually stimulate you to get excited, create urgency, and also take decisions like buying decisions. And this is what red is associated with. It's associated with power, passion, action, excitement, intensity, danger, and aggression, positive and negative, both. And if you see, they are also very widely used in marketing, and these are some of the companies who uses red. And I have taken off the negative part of it. I don't believe any company would like to promote negative emotions, so I've just kept the positive part. Let's talk about color blue. Blue has a calming effect on you. Whenever you enter a room which has the color blue, it can help you relax and de-stress. And that is why you will see the color blue in hospitals, in meditation centers, and also in spas. It's a very popular color because it helps you relax. The color blue is associated with stability, control, trust, wisdom, calmness, and the negative part of it would be lack of emotions and coldness. That is, if the color of the blue is a little darker in shade. And these are the companies which uses blue. Blue is very popular with tech companies like Intel, SAP, Dell, GE, HP, Twitter, Facebook. It's because blue has this calming effect. Also, it is associated with wisdom, trust, control, and stability. Let's talk about the color yellow. Yellow is a color of sunshine and happiness. You know the smiley face, right? And because of its brightness, it is also used as signages and in advertisements and also in post it notes. And yellow is associated with happiness, fun, sunshine, uplifting, and optimism. And negatively, it is anxiety, cowardice, and warning. And these are the companies who use yellow in their branding and in their logo. Let's talk about the color green. Green is the color of nature, and like blue, it is also a cool color, and it also has this relaxing and calming effect on people. And green is a color which is very easily processed by us, and it is easy on our eyes. And this is what green is associated with. It's associated with health, freshness, wellness, nature, calming, growth, prosperity, disgust, illness, and envy would be the negative part of it. And the companies which use green in their logo and branding are these. The color pink. Pink is historically associated with women. There is this perception that all women like pink. I don't believe so because I have known some who don't like pink. But pink is usually associated with women, and these colors are used to target women in marketing. The color pink is associated with compassion, nurture, feminine, romance, transformation, support, and negatively, it would be shallowness and immaturity. And these are some of the companies who use pink in their branding and in their logos. Color orange. The color orange is associated with sun, and it brings out feelings of friendliness and warmth. And it is also a color of spirituality. The color orange is associated with happy, warmth, friendliness, enthusiasm, sun, fire, spiritual, and the negative side would be frustration, immaturity. And these are some of the companies who use orange in their logos and also in their branding. The color black. Black is an amazing color. It can be used as a background, it can be used as a text, and it goes along with any color. Black is associated with sophistication, luxury, mystery, darkness, suffering, and negatively it would be coldness, evil, and death. So you got to be careful how you use the color black in your marketing. And these are some of the companies who use a black in their logo and in their branding. And almost every company in the world has a black version of their logo for anything, for any marketing material which is going to be black and white. The color white. White is the color of purity, simplicity, and peace. And like black, it's white is an inverse of black, and like black, it will go along with any colors. It can be used as a background, and it can also be used as a text when you have a darker background. And the color white is associated with sophistication, luxury, clean, modern, minimal, innocence, new beginning, peace, purity, and negative would be plain or emptiness. And these are the companies who use white in their logo and in their branding. And like black, every company would have a white version of their logo as well, to use whenever there is black and white marketing materials. The color purple. Kings and queens have used their colors during ancient times, and because of which they are the colors of royalty and luxury. The color purple is associated with creativity, royalty, wisdom, strength, luxury, exotic, uniqueness, spirituality, and wealth. And these are some of the companies who use purple in their logo and in their branding. Hope you got a lot of value out of this video. This is how you should be looking at colors when you're growing your business on the internet. It's going to help you a lot. And if you think you have got a lot of value out of this video, make sure you hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. This will inspire me to create more videos like this and notify you whenever I upload any new videos. And this is Santhosh again. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.